Imagine a better, more resilient world where nations can bounce forward from disasters. Critical infrastructure stand firm against calamities, where businesses and communities can thrive, and basic services are uninterrupted, especially when they need them most. This could be our future if we start working together on disaster risk reduction now. The United Nations adopted the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction in 2015, a bold but brave movement to build resilience in every nation across the globe by minimizing known risks and preventing the creation of new risks, to strengthen pre-disaster risk reduction and pre-disaster preparedness to build capacity among communities towards recovery, and to save lives and protect businesses and investments. The Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction has 7 global targets. To substantially reduce global disaster mortality and number of people affected globally by 2030. Reduce direct disaster economic loss in relation to global gross domestic product and reduce disaster damage to critical infrastructure and disruption of basic services. Substantially increase the number of countries with national and local disaster risk reduction strategies by 2020 and enhance international cooperation to developing countries through adequate and sustainable support to complement their national actions for implementation of the framework, and substantially increase the availability of and access to multi-hazard early warning systems and disaster risk information and assessments to the people by 2030. To help achieve the targets of the Sendai Framework, the UN Office for Disaster Risk Reduction set up Arise Global, an international network of private sector volunteers committing support to the cause. Part of this global network is Arise Philippines. Established in 2015, its membership network of companies and private institutions has grown. Focused on the 4 priorities for action of the Sendai Framework, namely 1. Understanding disaster risk. 2. Strengthening disaster risk governance to manage disaster risk. 3. Investing in disaster risk reduction for resilience. And 4. Enhancing disaster preparedness for effective response and to build back better in recovery, rehabilitation, and reconstruction. The members of Arise Philippines continue to work together towards a shared vision of a more resilient Philippines. Through awareness building, mutual cooperation, and action, Arise aims to contribute to building stable businesses, sustainable communities, and safe and resilient Filipino families. Through continuous action and collaboration with the government and the public, this vision can finally become a reality. Helping communities and businesses bounce forward better for a more resilient Philippines. There's still a lot of work to be done. We will live up to our mandate by undertaking activities under our work themes and priority areas. And with your help, we can go further and build better. Be part of the network. Let us co-create a sustainable and resilient future for all of us.